Hello everyone, Painting Made Easy, Beverly D. This is a quick tutorial on how to paint a bird with the feathers. So we're going to get right into it. Wet your brush a little bit. Take a little bit of light yellow. Get in there. Do the whole bird in the yellow. And we're going to just do this fast. Just so I can show you what to do with the brush strokes for the feathers. Okay, so there's one layer. Okay, while you're there, put a little bit on the beak. It's black. Not the best brush I got for this, do I? Is it? Jeez, kind of messy. Alright, I'm going to switch that one out to this one. I can add some white to cover up that. I'm going to get rid of that black off of here. Alright. That dries, we can fix that up too. There we go. Okay? Alright. So, now the feathers. I'm going to use a brush like this. Okay. It's not very thick or anything, it's just a round tip. I'm going to go with a brighter yellow. And we're going to start down at the bottom here. I'm going to put it, I don't know if you can see this, right here, swipe up. See how it's leaving those little marks there? Okay? Let that dry. Okay, now we're going to go underneath and do them there. These are long skinny ones, so you turn the brush sideways. And it's like just stripes. Okay. Now, I'm going to put a little bit, just a little bit of this bright stuff around the head, just a little. Make them look a little prettier underneath the chin. There, just on the head, and a little bit on the chest. There we go. Okay, so we're going to add the bright white with a little, the bright yellow with a little touch of black in there. That's going to make it turn this this color. Where are you? There you are. Okay. See that color? Here, let me show you what color that is. It's almost like a dirty color. Okay, so now we're going to do that again. We're going to put the tip down at the bottom where the curved thing is, and up. And then another one, another one, another one, and another one. Okay, and just keep doing it until you're happy with the way that it's turning out. Okay, go over it if you have to. Or not, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Now for the bottom part, same thing. Remember, it's lines, so it's just little stripes. Need some water on that. Okay. And I'm going to come through with, that dries a little bit, I'm going to come through with a little black to show you so you can see it better. Because it's very hard to see on here. And secret to a lot of these is to turn your canvas. So let's do that. Because this way, then you can be perfect with the things, okay? So let's do these lines first at the bottom. So we've got a straight line. Then we've got another one. And another one. And that's getting wet there, so. Okay. There we go. Alright, so we got that. Get some more black on there. Remember, this is not the color of this bird, but I'm just showing you so that you can see. Okay, so I'm taking that brush again, going down at the bottom with the tip. 1, okay? I can fill in that top out here. Now this is going to be a little longer, this one a little longer, and a little longer, okay. And then a little shorter, and then a little shorter, and really short. Yeah, then you fill these in. Up here. Okay. Now, some of these brushes don't work very good for stuff, so if you don't like the way that that worked, we will switch it out to one that's a little better, I would think. Maybe this one, perhaps. See the tip on this one here? Alright, let's try that one. Just let that dry for a little bit there. Okay. Put a little bit of that bright yellow on there. See what happens with that on top of that black, just to see. Longer, shorter, shorter, and shorter, see? Alright. Back to the black. There we go, see that? And then switch it. Flip her back. And then just fill this in up here. Alright. Get your yellow going again. Just to fix that up there. I'm going to do the light yellow. And then do some of that bright yellow just at the bottom of the tail. Just bring it up. One big one. There you go. Okay. A little bit of black. There you go. So, you understood that. So you've got one here that's going like this. And then you've got another one that's coming around. Then another one. So they're all in like a loop. Okay? So I'm showing you this way. Okay? I wouldn't paint this like this, so, alright? Go on. There we go. This bird looks much better with the black on it, doesn't he? Yeah. There we go. Alright, people. That's it. Now you could do a little mixing with the white and the black and all that. The other color, that yellow, and just do little tiny dabs here for the fur. See how easy that is? You can just get a bird done in no time. Alright, and then you've got, of course you've got the little feet, which, There you go, everyone. There's just a quick thing on that. Got a little dot in the eye here. There you go. There's your birdie. Alright, there you go. Good for me. Alright. Thank you very much. Hope that helps. That's just a quick, I'll be doing other ones. You'll see a lot more detail. I'll do it very slow so you'll be able to do it and understand it better. And so join me on when we start with the bird segment. Next we're going to be doing, show you this right here. Okay, it's a black leopard. We're going to be doing that one next. So check out the other videos when they come out, the new ones, because this leopard one will be the next one to be posted. Probably be out there for tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much, everyone, for watching. Have a great evening, and please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.